Hello friends, in this video we will do the unboxing of Anchor bulb holders. So let's see, we have two types of holders. We have inclined and then we have plain. So let's open it up. So this was purchased from Amazon.in, as you can see. So these are from the company Anchor. So there are 12 pieces. So they come in pairs of 3, in triplets 3. And let's open these. So this is from Anchor by Panasonic, and this is angle holder. So generally these are put on the walls, and generally in many cases these straight holders are put on the ceiling. So I hope these are of very good quality, since these come from a branded company. Let me also open the straight ones. So the price is written for these 3 holders as 159, and it was available at I think 120, these 3. So 3 for 120, so 1 for 40 rupees. So now this is the straight holder. So these are called Batten holders, the straight ones, and these are called angle holders. And you can see how does it look. The design looks simple and elegant, and you can see Anchor branding on the back side. So I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.